Hi, I'm Craig Cherwak. I am an instructor here at Create Career College. The business program is really to help students have a better understanding of what they can expect once they're into the work world, what employers are expecting of them, what sorts of skills are really going to set them apart for the future. Some of the typical positions would be things like various clerical positions, could be executive assistants, could be entry-level managers. Even when we look at marketing, could be a junior person that helps on content. Then there's the opportunity to participate in a co-op program through the Create Career College. And that will give students an opportunity to apply the things that they've learned and increase their value to potential employers. Typically at the entry level, you're going to be paid on an hourly basis, so maybe at the lowest starting at $17, but there's lots of entry level positions that are at $20, $22 an hour. It wouldn't be unreasonable to expect that you could get to the $25, $30 an hour level, and then as you progress into a management level afterwards, probably at a base minimum of about $7,000 a month. Key in terms of skills for business professionals, really number one in my mind is critical thinking. Sharing examples from current events and looking into those and dissecting them and figuring out what they've done well, what they've struggled with, looking at both sides of an issue, and then being able to either offer information or make decisions that would help an organization be successful. Assessment in the course is through a variety of methods. Quizzes, assignments, exams, but also, most importantly, in-class attendance and participation. For some students, the idea of being in class and asking questions can be quite intimidating and kind of create some anxiety. There are alternatives. We can use the chat room to share questions, but really it's an environment where it's safe to ask questions. It's actually a good opportunity to try things that maybe you're nervous about in the real world.